Subsidies, a financial boost from Uncle Sam. Imagine the government giving your favorite store a big chunk of money just to help them out. That essentially is what a subsidy is. It's financial help that governments give to businesses or industries to make them more competitive. This support comes in different forms, different ways the government lends a hand. Subsidies aren't just simple handouts. Here are some common ways the government provides support. Direct payments. This is the most straightforward kind. It's like a cash gift from the government to a company or industry. Tax breaks. Imagine getting a discount on your taxes. That is what tax breaks do for certain businesses or industries, which makes their products cheaper to produce. Loans and loan guarantees. Have you ever wished that you could get a super low interest loan? The government sometimes offers these to businesses, or it might guarantee loans, making it easier for businesses to borrow money. Price supports. This is when the government says, hey farmers, we'll make sure you get at least this much money for your crops, even if the market price is lower. These are just a few examples, but you get the idea. There are lots of ways the government can give industries a leg up. The economic impact. So, what happens when the government starts handing out subsidies? It's not always straightforward, and there can be both good and bad consequences. The upsides: lower cost, lower prices. Subsidies can help businesses cut costs, which could mean lower prices for you at the store. More jobs, stronger economy. Subsidies can create jobs and help boost the economy by supporting industries. Research and new tech. Subsidies can fund research and development, which leads to new inventions and technologies. Protecting what's important. Sometimes, subsidies are used to support industries that are really important for national security or other key reasons. The downsides. Market mayhem. Subsidies can mess with the natural workings of the market, popping up businesses that might not survive on their own. This can lead to waste and inefficiency. Trade wars. Other countries might see subsidies as unfair, which can lead to trade disputes and even retaliatory tariffs. Taxpayer burden. Subsidies aren't free. The money comes from taxpayers, so it's important to make sure it's being used wisely. Environmental worries. Some subsidies, like those for fossil fuels, might harm the environment instead of helping it. The big debate: are subsidies worth it? Like most things in economics, there's no easy answer. There are strong opinions on both sides. For subsidies, supporters say they are essential for economic growth, job creation, and promoting important industries. Against subsidies, critics argue they distort markets and waste taxpayer money. They also worry about the potential environmental impact. The way forward: smart subsidies. It is clear that subsidies can be a powerful tool, but they need to be used wisely. Here's some things to keep in mind. Target carefully. Subsidies should focus on industries that truly benefit the public, like renewable energy or education. Be transparent. The government should be open about how it's using subsidies to prevent corruption and waste. Set a time limit. Subsidies shouldn't last forever. They should help businesses get on their feet and then gradually be phased out. Cooperate globally. Countries should work together to create fair rules for subsidies so that everyone plays by the same rules. In the end, it's all about finding the right balance. Subsidies can be a valuable tool when used carefully and responsibly. They can help create jobs, save businesses from bankruptcy, boost the economy, and promote innovation. But they also come with risks, and it is important to be aware of those too.